Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can trim audio in Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and to trim audio in Android mobile phone, we need to download an app. And here I have downloaded this app, an app called VN Editor. And actually guys, this is a video editor app, but we can use it to trim our audio. Okay, let me show you how we can trim audio using this VN video editor. Since we want to use VN, so make sure you have installed this application. Okay, after you install the application, you can open it and then you're going to create new project. And since we want to edit audio, I'm going to choose music based. All right, and then you can choose an audio you want to trim. And for example, I'm just going to choose audio from my music library. Okay, I'm going to choose one of the audio here. Wait, let me choose this one. I'm going to click on use, and then the audio will be imported to our project. Okay, now it's done guys. The audio has been imported, and if you want to trim, you can simply use this pointer or this parameter. I'm just going to place it here. Okay, for example, I'm going to trim this part. Okay, I'm just going to tap on my audio, and then we're going to click on split, and I'm going to delete the unwanted part. Or actually, you can simply click on your audio, and then you can drag the audio like this. You can tap and hold on the audio, and then you can cut the audio. Okay, that's very simple, right? Okay, and once we have trimmed our audio, we can export it. You can click on this export menu. Okay, and then I'm going to choose export audio only because I just want to export the audio. Okay, and then we can click on export and wait. Okay, now the audio has been exported, and then we'll be able to share it to our friend. Okay guys, and that's all the way to trim audio in Android mobile phone using a VN editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.